Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the concatenate function in Excel. This powerful function allows you to combine text from multiple cells into a single string. Whether you're merging first and last names, joining data from different columns, or creating custom labels, the concatenate function can save you time and make your data more organized. Let's dive in. Let's start with the syntax of the concatenate function. Here's what each part means. Text 1. This is the first piece of text or cell reference that you want to combine. Text 2. Optional. Additional pieces of text or cell references to combine. You can include as many text arguments as needed. Now, let's look at our example. Suppose you have a list of first names in column A and last names in column B, and you want to combine them into full names. In cell A1, you have the first name John, and in cell B1, you have the last name Doe. In cell C1, we'll enter our concatenate formula. Start by typing concatenate. Next, we specify the first text to combine. Since the first name is in cell A1, we type A1. Then, to add a space between the first and last names, we type quotations mark with a space in between. So the formula now reads equals concatenate A1, quotation mark, space, quotation mark. Finally, we specify the last text to combine, which is in cell B1. So we type B1 and close the parentheses. The complete formula in cell C1 is displayed on the screen. Press Enter, and Excel will return John Doe, combining the first and last names into a single cell. And there you have it. We've successfully used the concatenate function to merge first and last names. Let's consider a different scenario where you're working with product codes and categories, and you want to create a custom label by combining them. In column A, you have product codes like ABC123, and in column B, you have categories like electronics. In cell C2, enter the formula equals concatenate A2 hyphen B2 and press Enter. Excel will return ABC123 electronics, creating a custom label that combines the product code and category. The concatenate function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Here are some practical applications. Creating full names. Merge first and last names to create full names in a single cell. Custom labels. Combine product codes, categories, or other attributes to create custom labels for products or reports. Combining data. Join data from different columns to create unique identifiers or entries for further analysis. That's it for today's tutorial on the concatenate function in Excel.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.